CABR is a high-tech enterprise set up in 2003. CABR constantly provides new products and technology to the construction market with testing methods, professional processing equipment, and strict quality control system. Our product categories include construction hoist, concrete placing boom, building maintenance unit, rebar processing equipment, mortar and concrete machinery, drilling rigs, specific equipment for cooling tower construction, self-erected tower crane, mast climbing work platform. CABR has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certification. Construction hoist, concrete placing boom, building maintenance unit, and drilling rigs have passed CE certification. With professional technology, reliable quality, long lifespan, complete safety protection system, and in-time after-sales services, our products have won nice reputation among customers both in China and abroad. Now we have exported our products to more than 50 countries in the world. You can see our products working well, serving our clients from different industries such as super high-rise buildings, nuclear power stations, Olympic stadiums, big bridges, airports, chimneys, and cooling tower. Under the general background of Chinese government's One Belt, One Road policy, we will keep improving ourselves and serving our customers with considerable products and services. CABR, your one-stop supplier of construction equipment. Welcome to contact us.